Okay, this morning I got a ticket for seatbelt violation, and this is why it is not correct. This is my van, and as you can see at the corner is the stop sign. So I pulled out, I drove here to the stop sign. As I was approaching the stop sign, the policeman was right there at that corner, on the north corner, heading south, which is this way. I approach from where my van is. I was pulling up, and in the process of putting on my seatbelt, he saw me and probably thought, oh, he saw me and he's putting on his seatbelt, which wasn't the case. It was the first possible opportunity I had to put on my seatbelt, and I was stopped, or pulled over actually, just beyond that fire hydrant there. My intention was to drive into this alley, where that black car is turning now. That's my alley. I was going to put some donations that we got in our storage area. So that's why I'm fighting this seatbelt ticket.